Morning. Detisis. Are we gonna go home and play outside? Outside? In the water? Say agua. Say R. U. B. Yeah. E. 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 N. N. Can you say Ruben?
What is it? Let's go look. There you go. This stuff right here, it's all very.
Oh, watch your head. Turn it up.
That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Jill, dance.
Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. This is why they're broken, you're so mean. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love.
Sex and expensive cars, and still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. At my arraignment, no for the players. The daughter's tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Basement, not guilty. That's how I stay true.
He likes this car.
That's what really got there. Like a mountain bike, and then like the stay chill or something. Stay chill, you know.
I need to stay
love my
chill.
dog, and then like all that other stuff.
Run a few marathons with me.
Yeah, you
Get some
13.1,
stickers.
26.2.
Put that shit on. Don't you have to run a marathon?
I saw this one that said 0.0, and I said I don't run. It's gone.
I should do that one.
I almost did it.
Gone. Yeah, it has a paddle shifters or something like that.
Stop it. Stop it. When? You gotta be a big boy. Be a big boy. Okay. Stay over here. No. Stay over here.
Ruben?
Hey.
No.
Go. Come on. Where you going? No. Leo? No. Let's go look at yours. Where's yours at? Let's go find him. No. Hey. Leo.
Hey. Tag, you're it.
Get Tara. Where's Tara?
Where is she?
I got poison ivy real bad, that's for sure. On the day of his birthday.
Oh, yeah.
No, his birthday?
Where? Well, we just got back from camping.
Oh, that's right.
Camping the night before, and then we came into town. It was like starting to spread on my body. And then we went to the beach, and I still had it. Hola. Gio.
Yeah, Kyrie Irving's freaking crazy good. I think he's better than LeBron. Yeah.
It was the first time ever that a team made more threes than twos in the game. They had 17 threes, which is an NBA Finals record, and they only had 16 twos. And that's a points and free throws. So how crazy is that? Literally, if you eliminate their three-point game, you win every single game.
Almost bad to the Warriors, but
Oh.
What was that? Good job.
Yeah, but I don't think the Cavaliers will win it though.
Oh my gosh, not unless LeBron and that other guy do the same thing for the next 2 games.
Yeah, but then they'll have Green back and Green freaking.
But if Green gets another foul, he's
Gio.
suspended again.
Dude, that was such force foul.
That foul that he got was such a force foul.
Dude, you saw him flake LeBron in his balls.
Did you see what LeBron did?
He was like, bitch, I'm King James.
Yeah.
That's probably what I would have said if I was
And he was like,
And he was like,
oh, okay. He like did
that
this.
was funny.
He did this. Like
Yeah.
he was laying on the ground.